Good morning students. This video is for class 12 economics. In this video we are going to discuss about foreign trade. India was an important exporter of wide range of manufactured products before British rule. However, the British foreign trade policy drastically changed the foreign trade structure of India. The British imposed heavy duty on Indian manufactured export ranging from 70 to 80%. As a result of this policy, exports of manufactured products from India suffered a serious setback. Instead, India became an exporter of primary products such as cotton, jute, raw silk, indigo, etc. Exports of most of these primary goods were allowed duty free as they are required for the development of industries in Britain. So, when Britishers rule over India, they convert India as exporter of primary products and importer of finished goods from Britain. Heavy export duties were imposed on Indian manufactured products. Imports of Britain manufactured products were allowed duty free. As a result of discriminatory tariff policy pursued by British ruler, India was transformed into an exporter of primary goods and importer of manufactured goods, mainly from Britain. Large duty free imports of finished products from Britain destroyed the handicraft industries in India and also prevent the rise of new industries in our country. It was the colonial government that controlled India's foreign trade also. This would be clear from the fact that more than half of India's foreign trade was with Britain, while the rest was allowed with few countries like China, Sri Lanka and Iran. Drain of Indian wealth during British rule. Although the colonial period there was a favorable balance of trade, that is, exports were more than imports. Thus, there was a large export surplus. However, this surplus came to a huge cost to the countries as large exports of primary goods and raw materials led to their severe shortage in domestic economy. Moreover, this export surplus did not add to India's wealth but was used to meet the expenses incurred by an office set up by the colonial Indian government in Britain, meet the expenses on war fought by British Army and import of invisible items. All these led to drain of wealth of India. Many nationalist leaders educated the excess of exports over imports to the drain of wealth from India. So during British rule, India's foreign trade policy was in favor of Britain. Britishers convert India as exporter of primary products and importer of finished goods. They have created monopoly control over India's foreign trade and they also drain Indian wealth to their home country.